Nature is so amazing.
Why is nature so amazing? Let's look at some reasons. Nature acts as a green buffer for our urbanized areas. But nature takes time to heal. Whenever we disturb the forest, for example, therein lies the importance of preserving the forest for our appreciation of nature. And as we walk barefoot on the ground, we stay connected to the earth, like the roots of a tree. When we become grounded, we remain connected to earth and we can rise high. Just like the animals, they are connected with the earth always. Thus, we can truly say,
Nature is so amazing.